Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Here we constantly share tips and info about e-commerce and dropshipping. And today's video is another episode of tools recommendation for Shopify stores optimizations. We have uploaded 2 videos talking about dropshipping tools, but as you all know, this e-commerce tool market is growing every day. So how do you know which one is the cup of tea for your business? Obviously, there's no way to try all of them out one by one, but after all, many of these tools will charge service fee, and what's more precious than money is time. Our recommendation list is pretty short today. 4 hack tools that cover every bit of your Shopify dropshipping business. However, just like any suggestion or recommendation you find online, do not forget to take our list with a grain of salt. Alright, enough chit chat, let's get started with this super neat recommendation list right now. One area that some people feel Shopify lacks is the page customization. Luckily, there are many great apps out there that allow you to fully customize each page in your Shopify store, or even create brand new pages from scratch. Gempages is a drag-and-drop page editor. It enables you to make landing pages, home pages, product pages, collection pages, and blog posts, etc. It also offers a range of stylish templates to choose from and has some built-in SEO tools. There are 3 price plans available for Gempages: Starter $15 per month, Business $29 per month, and Advanced $59 per month. Generally speaking, Gempages is a fine tool that plans are reasonably priced. Although there's no free version, it offers a free 10-day trial, so you can decide if it is worth the wait after trying. Selling online means maximizing your tools and reselling platforms available to have many sales. For most resellers, time is always of the essence. Listing out items and making sure that they get the goods that they need to get noticed by shoppers can be a handful of work. Hence, handling different closet and selling accounts is difficult. To grow your online business, knowing the available service that can help you list your items and save your time is always an advantage. ListPerfectly is a paid cross-listing service that started in 2019 with a mission to help online resellers work smarter while reaching new customers and making more sales. ListPerfectly offers features like cross-post to multiple platforms with templates for faster listing, bulk cross-posting, inventory management, access analytics, and allows its subscribers to download CSVs. This app allows users to import, add, and save products in their LP catalog without a restriction in number. As of writing, their service can cross-post on different marketplaces such as Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Instagram, Facebook marketplaces, etc. ListPerfectly currently offers 3 tiers, which means the higher the fees, the more features you can use. The price for each tier is: Simple plan is for $29 per month, Business plan is for $49 per month, and Pro plan is for $69 per month. ListPerfectly offers a 3-day trial with a money-back guarantee where you can list up to 20 cross-posts. One of the most influential models of marketing for Shopify merchants is using SMS to promote their stores. It is easy for customers to read, which can grab their attention quickly. A popular and easy-to-navigate app for doing this on Shopify is SMSBump. SMSBump is a marketing app for Shopify sellers to promote with SMS banner. So with this app, you can edit and send text messages to a specific target group of customers, like monthly active, new purchase, or in actions, and so on. Or you can set up automatic notifications like cart reminders, checkout reminders, discount reminders, thank you note, etc. to the customers to increase the purchase and create better engagement. Not only text, if you want to leave a deep impression on customers, using this tool to create unique ratings like adding GIF, your brand logo, the customer's name is also a good way to go. Anyway, there's a lot of cool things you can do with this app. SMSBump got 5 different pricing, including free plans to get started with SM Essentials to build a new revenue channel. Sellers can also choose one paid plan accordingly that matches their business requirements. UpPromote is a Shopify app that is used to create affiliate marketing to expand your business effortlessly. Affiliate marketing is a good way to allow sellers to connect with many more people who will be selling or promoting your products in a short amount of time. So using UpPromote, sellers can set up, track, and manage his or her own affiliate campaign easily. Sellers do not need any technical skills, but still can reach to more potential audience to increase sales with no upfront fee. The highlight of UpPromote is that you can convert your customers into affiliates via the convert customer function. Let affiliates invite others with a multi-level marketing feature. You can easily check out for others and affiliate performance via the reliable tracking process. So what makes UpPromote stand out from the other apps is that it can list your offers on UpPromote Marketplace to approach more partners or influencers. And there are 4 pricing plans on UpPromote, including a free plan. So when you first install the app, you will get a free plan by default with no cost. Besides, if you need more service limits when you are expanding your business, so then you can choose the paid plan like Growth, Professional, or Enterprise plan as you need. Alright guys, so much for today's amazing Shopify app recommendation. To expand your Shopify business effectively, learning to make the most of tool apps with different features is a crucial way to create a unique online business with influential marketing and a responsive backup system. So if you'd like to know more super cool Shopify apps, just like this video and leave your comment below. We will make a collection to pack all the apps we have shared before together and drop the link in our blog page. Subscribe us and turn on the notification bell to receive the update on Shopify tips. So see you in your next video. Bye!